Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your desktop language back to English. For this, go to Start, then go to Settings, next click this time and language here. Now select this option, click on Add Language. I have already downloaded English from here. I'm going to show you another on by adding Australian on. Click on Next, install. You can choose the desired on, like if you want to remove the voice language or text language or keyboard. I'm going to select both, click on install. I'm skipping the installation. After installation, what you have to do is go here, click on this, and from drop down menu choose English United States. Click on this. After signing out, your Windows language will be changed. So that's it guys. If this will help you, please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.